you doing, Dee?
There's a celebration today. There's a temple down the way here, and we're going to go check things out.
After the workout, I ran into Daniel and we came to the Gurdwara. And now, that's mine. You're not paying attention. Ha! This is Vada and Idli Sambar, and it's really good. Pure veg.
We had a great breakfast. They talked to me about the Guru, and we learned some of the history. I'll have to do some more research. Down at the other end of Lighthouse Beach, we have ladies selling fruit, fresh fruit, very delicious. The lighthouse is up there. Can't see it actually. There it is, between the trees. So what I came here for was to get a picture of the little monument and the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. He came here 100 years ago, and that's kind of what the celebration is partly about. There are several small temples in the area here in Kovalam. There's always the chance that when Olga comes out, she'll give me this one, but that's okay. Kovalam sunset.